We have Blue Land Toilet Bowl Cleaner Tablets. This is lemon cedar scent. And boy, when I opened this bag, the scent is strong. You definitely smell lemon and cedar. This is powerful and it's plastic free. This comes with 30 tablets. And if you notice here on the back, it says tough on stains, but gentle on the planet. The way it works is you drop it in directly into your toilet bowl. You brush, you let it fizz, clean, do its magic, and then you flush your toilet and voila, you're done. You can see it really fizz and bubble when I tossed it in the water. The smell is amazing. It literally smelled my whole bathroom up with fresh lemon scent with a touch of cedarwood. Works like magic.